Hello friends! Today I'll show you how to transform old clothes into stylish, trendy pieces. Ready? Let's dive in! 1. This black skirt. Everyone has one, right? But it's so hard to style. Look how they turn it into a chic dress. I personally loved it. If you did too, give the video a like. 2. Did you know this year is all about leopard print? Look how a simple scarf is turned into a stunning outfit. I'm definitely trying this out. It's both trendy and attention-grabbing. I'm sure everyone will ask where you got it from. 3. I'm obsessed with these heart-detailed, sparkly chic jeans. Turning plain jeans into a statement piece like this is such a genius idea. Imagine seeing this in a store. We'd all be in love. But if we can create it ourselves, why not give it a shot? Don't you agree? 4. A plain crop blazer. We all have one, don't we? I do. And every time I wear it alone, it looks like pajamas, so I avoid it. But this design is worth trying. At least no one else will have a piece like this. It's unique, easy to try, and totally wearable. Would you wear it? 5. A plain blouse? Don't tell me you don't have one because we all do. But they're so basic that no matter what you pair them with, they always look casual. Try this hack to make it stylish. What do you think? Did you like this trick? 6. Thick jackets. We all have them. Doesn't it look amazing? Plus, this style of jacket is trending this year. 7. A classic shirt. Every girl buys one with excitement, but then struggles to style it and forgets about it after a few uses. This hack brings it back to life. Wearing it in this way is such a clever idea. 8. Imagine you have everything in your wardrobe except a crop top. You can easily turn a plain long tank top into a crop. 9. I saved the best for last. If you have a big, classic shirt at home, you must try this. I've never seen such a unique shirt before. The best part? No sewing, no extra effort. In just 5 minutes, you can completely transform a piece of clothing. 10. Here's a little trick. You might already know it. If you have a pair of wide-waist jeans, just use a detail from your undergarments to make a small adjustment. 11. Another classic piece. Imagine you have a last-minute invitation and want to style something from your closet but have no idea what to wear. Try this trick with your skirt. I'm sure it'll look amazing on you. You can even pair it with a classic blazer to make it look like a complete set. And that's a wrap. If you watched until the end, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Big hugs. Bye for now.